Hi, my name is Nick DeBlasi, Director of Product Management for JE Pistons. We all know that lightweight is how you get power. It's the name of the game, and I'm here to show you a new design that we've been working on for the last 18 months. This is a patent pending product, and nobody has this. We call it the Hollow Crown. With 10 strategically placed holes to align with your combustion chamber, you get the maximum weight reduction, which equals power. In addition, we put random shards of aluminum found all over that you can't remove to help scrape away the resistance in your engine. We all know that friction robs horsepower. What better way to include random bits of aluminum to take that away? This means maximum power, lightweight, and a product for you. This is the Hollow Crown.